Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video I'm going to show another problem, which is beautiful matrix. So first of all we have to read our question appropriately. Here you can see you have got a 5 into 5 matrix consisting of 24 zeros and a single number 1. Let's index the matrix rows by number from 1 to 5 from top to bottom. Let's index the matrix columns by numbers from 1 to 5 from left to right. In one move you are allowed to apply one of the two following transformations to the matrix. First, swap to neighboring matrix rows, that is rows that is rows with indexes I and I plus 1 for some integer I is less than is equal to I is less than 5. Swap to neighboring matrix columns, that is columns with index j and j plus 1 for some integer j 1 is less than is equal to j less than 5. You think that a matrix look beautiful if the single number 1 of the matrix is located in its middle. Count the minimum number of moves needed to make the matrix beautiful. So after that, sorry for pausing my video. So then the input consists of 5 lines, each there contains 5 integer. The j integer in the ith line of the input represents the element of the matrix that is located on the intersection of the ith row and jth column. It is granted that the matrix consists of 24 zeros and single number 1. Output print a single integer. The minimum number of moves needed to make the matrix beautiful. Examples, here you can see examples. All here central point of the is 3 matrix is 3 3. Here the 1 is here. So the here the index of 1 is 2 5. So if each want to move here, each have to take 3 steps. First each have to move here, move in the next line, and then here 2 1 2, and in the last here 3. And then if we go to our last example, you can see the location of or the placement of 1 is 3 2. So if it want to move to 3 position, then it should be take one initiative, so its output is 1. So we have to go to our replit. So we go to replit. So it take a few seconds. So here we already has our package and a class named main, and then our scanner class. So first of all we have to take we have a matrix of 5 into 5. So first of all we have to write a loop where we write for int I is equal to, here we take a new variable which is called I, and I is initialized by 0, and I data type should be integer. I is less than 5 and I plus plus, and after that we have to run another loop where we take another for loop for which we copy our previous for loop, this for loop, and paste here, and we change our variable name. Here we write the variable j and replace all I by j, and after that we have to take a input from our user. So we write int n is equal to int n is equal to sc dot next int. So after that we input from our user. So here we take a write a condition, check the if the n is 1 or not. So we write if n is equal to 1, we write output statement, which is system.out.println. So we write system.out.println, and then into the bracket we have to write like that, I minus 2 and j minus 2. So we write here, we have to write absolute. We want absolute value of those numbers. So we write math.abs, and into the bracket we write I minus 2 and I minus 2 plus math.abs j minus 2. So after that we run our program or test if it works properly or not. I wish it works properly. So after we already copy our examples, so we paste our examples here. So you can see the second example is output is accurate to our given example, and then we again run our program and paste the first example given in our question. So we paste here, and you can see the same result here is 3. So now we have to copy our code, and then we have to go our question, which is beautiful matrix, and then we have to go here. We have first of all we have to enter. So after entering this, enter here, we have to go submit code, and then we have to paste our code here, and after that we have to press into the submit button and it will take a few seconds. So you can see it's accepted. Hope you can understand this video. Like, comment and share this video, and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.